We're embarking on an incredible time quest, a pumpkin and apple fall festival adventure that's as fun as it is educational. You won't believe how awesome this is for kids. In our time quest, young explorers are equipped with a clock Play-Doh stamp, and they'll embark on a quest to read and tell time. It's like turning learning into a thrilling game. Let me show you a glimpse of the adventure they'll experience. At 11:30 a.m., it's pumpkin decorating. This is where the magic of creativity and time meet. They'll have to schedule their artistry perfectly. 1 p.m. is for scarecrow building. It's all about time management and coordination. Can they make the perfect scarecrow before the clock runs out? Next, at 2:15 p.m., it's face painting. Time is of the essence when it comes to transforming into their favorite characters. Then it's time for a hayride adventure at 3:30 p.m. They'll need to be punctual to hop on the hayride and enjoy the scenic tour. Apple cider tasting is at 4:45 p.m. It's a taste of nature's goodness combined with a lesson in punctuality. This time quest isn't just a fun-filled adventure, it's an opportunity for kids to learn the valuable skill of telling time management, and staying organized. It's all about making learning an unforgettable adventure.